So we're unboxing the 150 watt power inverter. So let's just get along to this. We have two separate colors. First one we have is a nice blue color, and in the second box we have a really elegant red color. So let's just take it out. First thing you'll see is you get the user's manual, how to use this. Next, you get a nice case that comes along with it. And lastly, you get the power inverter. So we're just going to pull out the red one just so you guys. So this power inverter is really well built. It's really strong, durable. Comes with a metal frame, so any drops or bumps, it's really well protected. All you need to do is plug it into your lighter charger and it will go to work. As you can see on the side here, it comes with two USB ports, which is extremely handy and efficient because most cars only have one USB port. Many people have two or more cell phones, etc. So this is perfect for charging phones. Now it also has an AC output, which is perfect for charging laptops, let's say, any heavier, dutier devices. At any overcharging, temperature heating, it basically prevents anything from going on fire or anything. So it's really safe, really well built. Looks extremely elegant in two different colors, whatever color you prefer, and extremely small, really easy to pack into a car and use.
The next big thing is small. LiteFuze LT series transformers were introduced in 2009, and since then, they have been the most recommended voltage transformers worldwide. Over the years, the LT series has received high customer ratings and retained customer loyalty. The LT series has been completely redesigned. The new LT series transformers by LiteFuze are now equipped with converting box technology. Converting box technology makes the LT series up to 30% smaller and up to 35% lighter. The new LT5000 weighs approximately 29 pounds, while the previous model weighed 45 pounds. And we've added more sockets to the LT5000 while making it smaller in size. More energy efficient. The LT series draws almost 50% less wattage when connected idle as compared to other brand transformers. The converting box technology also adds a noise reduction feature to the LT series, which makes this an ideal transformer for your home entertainment center. LT series transformers, 1000 watt and above, feature circuit breaker protection, so there is no need to replace fuses on overload. Another innovation is the detachable cord. This makes the LT series transformer more convenient and safer for worldwide use. With reduced size and weight, converting box technology, detachable cord, circuit breaker protection, plus a 5-year limited warranty. Once again, LiteFuze redefines the LT series voltage transformers with the converting box technology.